poncho that we don't get wet.
Koshi news. So actually I'm on the float, which is I'm rafting.
Recording.
Here you go. Look at that. This is Sheila and Katrina. Everybody here. Hey, I don't know this guy. Jay. Hey. How's it going? Yeah. All right. So I'm joining to the rafting tour, which is the staff rafting, which is quite good. Further down, they are floating like that. Okay. And weather is not really sunny day today, but doesn't matter. This is on the float. This is and looks like that. Right, we're just beginning. Hope you enjoy everything. Here you go.
Everybody grew quiet.
Okay.
You start recording yourself.
See you. Koshi news. Bye.